Good morning, students. Welcome you all for Next Generation Learning. Today we are going to see the subject Science and Class 4, Chapter number 8, Leaves, the Food Factory. Topics, classwork writing, keywords, short question and answer, detail, hard question and answer, and diagram. Before going to write a classwork, you have to take your science classwork note, blue stick pen, pencil, and scale. Open your classwork notebook and write the date 19/1/2021 and write the title of the chapter number 8, Leaves, the Food Factory. Roman letter 1, keywords. Dear students, first listen the words, then you write. The first keyword, leaves. 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 Second keyword, chlorophyll. CHLOROPHYLL, chlorophyll. Third keyword, leaf blade. LEAF, leaf blade. BLADE, blade. Fourth keyword, apex. APEX, apex. Fifth keyword, mid-rib. MID, mid-rib. RIB, rib. Sixth keyword, side vein. SIDE, side vein. VEIN, vein. Seventh keyword, stomata. STOMATA, stomata. Eighth keyword, oxygen. OXYGEN, oxygen. Ninth keyword, carbon dioxide. CARPON, carbon dioxide. DIOXIDE, carbon dioxide. Tenth keyword, sunlight. SUNLIGHT, sunlight. Again I will read the words. First keyword, leaves. Second one, chlorophyll. Third one, leaf blade. Fourth one, apex. Fifth one, midrib. Sixth one, side vein. Seventh one, stomata. Eighth one, oxygen. Ninth one, carbon dioxide. Tenth one, sunlight. The 11th keyword, photosynthesis. PHOTO, photosynthesis. SYNTHESIS, synthesis, photosynthesis. 12th one, iodine. IODINE, iodine. 13th one, blue black. BLUE, black. BLACK, blue black. 14th one, starch. STARCH, starch. 15th one, stem. STEM, stem. 16th one, production. PRODUCTION, production. 17th one, sanctuaries. SANCTUARIES. 18th one, breathing. PREATHING, breathing. 19th one, glucose. CLUCOSE, glucose. 20th one, presence. PRESENCE, presence. Again I will read out. 11th one, photosynthesis. 12th one, iodine. 13th one, blue black. 14th one, starch. 15th one, stem. 16th one, production. 17th one, sanctuaries. 18th one, breathing. 19th one, glucose. 20th one, presence. After completing these keywords, you have to draw a line. The second Roman, short question and answer. The first question, which part of the plant should be called the kitchen of the plant? Here one word is missed. Give reasons to support your answers. The answer is, the leaves of the plant are called the kitchen of the plant. So why we call it as the leaves or kitchen of the plant? Because they prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. Again, I will read out the question and I will explain the answer. The question number 1, which part of the plant should be called the kitchen of the plant? Give reasons to support your answers. So if you take the plant consists of many parts: stem, branches, leaf, root. But which part of the plant is called kitchen? So who prepared the food? That part is called kitchen. Here in a plants, the leaves prepare the food. So the leaves of the plant are called the kitchen of the plant. Why? Because they prepare food. How they prepare the food? By the process of photosynthesis. After completing this question, you have to draw a line. The next question, define photosynthesis. The answer is, the process by which plants prepare their own food from CO2 and water with the help of chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight is known as photosynthesis. You know that what is meant by the photosynthesis. The photosynthesis is one of the process. By this process, plants prepare their food. So how it prepare their food? From the carbon dioxide, water and sunlight and also chlorophyll. These are the essential things for plants prepare their own food. So this process is known as photosynthesis. The process by which plants prepare their own food from CO2 and water with the help of chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight is known as photosynthesis. After completing this question, you have to draw a line. The third question, what will happen if there is a sudden increase in the number of plants on the earth? So what will happen if the number of plants are increasing on the earth? The answer is, if number of plants on earth increases, the CO2 produced by animals will not enough for plant to make food. So plants prepare their own food with help of carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide is getting from the animals. Maybe if the number of plants are increasing means, comparing to the animals, the CO2 produced by animals will not enough for plant to make the food. So this is a causes of, if the number of plants are increasing on the earth. If number of plants on earth increases, the CO2 produced by animals will not enough for plant to make food. The next Roman, detail. The first question, what are stomata? What are their function? You know that the stomata also one of the part in the planet. So what are their function? The answer is there are many tiny pores called stomata present mostly on the underside of the leaf. If you take a leaf, the leaf contains the two sides. One is upper side and another one is underside. In the underside of the leaf, the tiny pores are present. That the tiny pores are called stomata. The tiny pores is nothing but small holes are present underside of the leaf. We cannot see this tiny pores through naked eyes. Using microscope, if you view the leaf means you can see the stomata present on the leaf. So there are many tiny pores called stomata present mostly on the underside of the leaf. The stomata help in the exchange of gases between leaf and the surroundings. You know that for the process of photosynthesis, the plants need carbon dioxide from the animals. So the carbon dioxide, the animals give carbon dioxide into air. So the air contains the carbon dioxide. The tiny pores present in the leaf, that means the stomata, take the carbon dioxide from the surroundings to the plant. So this is the function of stomata. The stomata help in the exchange of gases. Here, which gas? The carbon dioxide gas. Exchange of gases between leaf and the surroundings. So, which one exchange the carbon dioxide from the surrounding to the leaf and leaf to surrounding? That is the stomata. So, there are many tiny pores called stomata present mostly on the underside of the leaves. The stomata help in the exchange of gases between leaf and the surroundings. The next Roman, heart. The first question, a potted plant was kept in a cupboard. Though it was watered regularly, it died in a few days. Why? Are you understand the question? A potted plant was kept it in a cupboard. You are pouring the water regularly, but after a few days it died. Why? What is the reason? Because we are pouring the water regularly. The answer is, as the potted plant was kept in a cupboard, it died because it did not receive enough sunlight. So the plants need to grow not only water, it's a need sunlight also. So plants need water, sunlight and CO2 to grow. So if any one of the thing, maybe water or sunlight or CO2 is not enough means the plant definitely will die. Yes, the potted plant was kept in a cupboard. It died because it did not receive enough sunlight. The plants need water, sunlight and CO2 to grow. Are you understand the question? Are you understand the answer? Yes. Shall we move to the next one? The next Roman, drawing. The question number 1. Draw a leaf and mark its spots. Using the pencil, you have to draw a leaf neatly and mark the parts, apex, sidevine, midrib and leaf blade. This is a very important question. You draw neatly and mark the parts. At the last, you have to write chapter number 8 completed and grade 1. Grade. Dear students, I hope you understood. You have to copy this question and answer, keywords and detail and also drawing in your classwork notebook. Write neatly and submit after completing your writing. Thank you.